Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel The Beauty Company. If you're new here, hi, my name is Sanchari. Today I am here to do another review. This foundation is not available in India yet, but very soon I think many of the e-commerce website will launch because this is a hype product. It's a best seller. If you want to know which foundation I am talking about, then please keep on watching. Now let me tell you something about how I received my order. I will not bore you guys much. I received my package in this box and I had placed my orders 3.5 months back on 8th of March, and my order got shipped within 4 days, and after that my order was lying with India Post in Mumbai because due to lockdown everything was shut and nothing was in operation. So I finally got my order. I was little skeptical. I thought I'll have to forget this and forget about reviewing. I have to forget about this product that I had ordered 3.5 months back. So when I received my box, it comes in nicely packaged. You can see the packing material inside. This will keep your products safe and intact so that it does not move around too much. You get a receipt like this. Every detail has been mentioned in this receipt. Now let's do the review. I'm very excited to introduce you to NYX Born to Glow foundation, and this is a radiant foundation. If you love NYX products, if you love NYX foundation, you know how it performs, and I wanted to try this foundation the day it had launched. To see the packaging is so cute. It comes in a black glossy packaging. Here the writings are mentioned in gold and white, and when you turn around you have the shade name. I am in the shade Warm Honey 15.9. I hope I'm making some sense. I know it is not visible because I use the foundation NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in the shade 15.9. So I thought I will get the same shade. I was trying to go for golden shade, but I thought that would be too golden for me and that would be very light, and even if it does not match, I don't think I could have made it work. But this is an absolute match for me. My stars are in my place nowadays. When I am buying any foundation, it is like on the point. This has a expiry of 12 months from the date of opening. This foundation has a very light to medium buildable coverage. If you are someone who doesn't like that heavy kind of foundation feeling, then this is the right match for you, because this will give your skin that your skin but better kind of effect. It will make you look glow from within. You can see I have applied this foundation and I have just powdered the T-zone on my face. Rest of the face I have left it just as it is. Once I use this foundation, I started loving it because I have no words to talk about NYX, because NYX products are mind-blowing. When it comes to foundation, I love their NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation, and I love this too. There are 45 shades in total. It is available on their official website also and Cult Beauty website also. If you want to know how to shop from Cult Beauty, then you can check the description box. I shall mention the link there. Also, I will mention the link in the I button here, so you can definitely have a look. I have explained everything in detail how you can shop from there. You all must be very curious to know the price of this product. The price of this product is a $10 and a £10 for 30 ml. $10 is for the official NYX Cosmetics US website, and £10 you can get it on Cult Beauty website. when I purchased this, I was charged rupees 750 at that time, and when I received it, I did not get any kind of customs because my product value was less than 1000 rupees. Yes, so I got it in a very good deal and I'm happy with the foundation. Now let's move on to the demo. Alright, so now let's get into the demo, how it performs, whether it is good for all skin types or not. As you all can see, this is nicely sealed and I am opening the seal in front of you guys. Now we'll see the consistency. Oh, this is a semi-liquidy kind of consistency, and I hope the shade should match me. So one side of the face I will do with my sponge and the other side with my brush as usual, dabbing on the foundation. I am taking my beauty blender and I will blend in the foundation. As I'm blending, I can see that the foundation is blending very nicely with the sponge and it gives a nice luminosity. It is giving me a nice glow to my skin and it is matching with my skin tone. This is a bit warm golden undertone kind of shade. This is very well blending with the sponge. I know the sponge soaks that excess product, but still it is not giving me any hard time blending out. So I did one side with my sponge and I am liking the coverage so far. This is a medium buildable coverage. Also, I did not need any kind of color correction. Now I'll bring some of it to my neck. This side of my face I will use a brush. The sponge side is giving me more coverage than the brush side. I can very well make out, and also this side I am getting more glow. Let's see if this is transfer proof or not. My fingers are very clear, so I'll just press it and there are no impressions, and also there is no tacky feeling. It has completely dried up. It's making my skin look very fresh. So I'll do the rest of my makeup and I shall see you back guys soon. It is a very nice lightweight foundation that glides into your skin very smoothly. It does suits all skin type, and I think they have claimed that this will also suit oily skin beauties, though I cannot talk for oily skin beauties because I have dry to combination skin, and I know that I don't like nowadays heavy matte looking foundation because it makes my skin look very cakey. The finish is very smooth, very silky smooth. You can see how my skin is looking. I have just powdered the T-zone on my face and the rest of the face I kept it as it is. All the products I used on top of this foundation glided very nicely without any problem. I was able to achieve this kind of radiant look and I am really happy with how my makeup is looking today. Also, I cannot see any creasing because now it's been 2 hours since I am wearing this makeup. There is no such creasing at all. Only I am getting little sweat marks over here because I sweat around my mouth a lot. Apart from there is no creasing at all. Also, you can see that the shade is matching with my neck very nicely. The shipping procedure, that is also very easy. You don't have to break your head because Cult Beauty is a very friendly website. I'm not endorsing anyone. I am talking about my personal experiences that I haven't faced any problem. I had been ordering from them since 2 years. I never faced any such issues. Now that you have seen the review, please let me know down in the comment section if you found it helpful or not. Yes or no will do, or a heart icon, heart symbol will also do. And if you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to ring the bell button just beside the subscribe button, so that you are notified every single time whenever I upload any new videos. And don't forget to like, and I shall see you soon on my next one. Till then, bye, take care.